If your eyes are starting to look drooped and hooded, this soft glam look will lift them instantly. This soft glam look is not only easy, but I'm going to share some tips with you how to make your eyes look more lifted. First thing that we're going to want to do is we want to use some sort of a eyeshadow primer. I personally would not recommend using concealer. I don't think it works as well to preventing your shadow from creasing. I'm going to use actually it's an eyeshadow, cream eyeshadow, but it's a crease proof one. It's from MAC and I'm using the shade Painterly. But if you are using an eyeshadow primer, I would recommend using one that's going to give you a little bit of coverage too, because you saw what my eyes look like. There's a lot of veining going on there, and what happens is when you're putting your shadow on, you're going to have to keep building and building and building that up just to cover it, and then that could look a little too heavy on your eyes, especially when you have mature eyes. It could look crepey looking. We don't want that. The next step is we're going to get in and do our shadow. Today I'm going to be using my Natasha Denona Need a Nude palette, but you can use shadows that you already have. So the shadows that I'm going to be using, and I'm going to show you because there's 4 of them here. So I'm going to go in first and I'm going to use this one right here. Then I'm going to go in and use that one right there. I'm going to use a little bit of, actually I'm going to use this one next on my lid. I'm going to use that and then that right there. There we go. So actually we're using, what, 5 colors, I guess, on that look. First thing that we want to do is I want to go in and I want to build up that crease because that's going to help give a little bit of a lift to my eyes. So if you have sagging looking hooded eyes, that's what you're going to want to do. So I'm going to go in and use this color right here. And I like to apply it with a nice fluffy brush. And I'm going to go in and start applying it right here. And kind of work it back and forth. You're not using a lot of pressure on your eyes either. You're just barely touching your skin when you're applying your eyeshadow. You're barely touching it. That's what's going to give you that really nice airbrushed look. And I'm probably going to go back and build this up a little bit more, but there you go. The next step is I'm going to go in and I'm going to use this brush from BK Beauty. I think it's the 207 brush. It's kind of dense. This is going to work. This is going to work really, really well for the outer corner. And I'm going to go ahead and use this color right here. Now, if I was going out in the evening, I could use something a little darker, but we're going to use this. And what this is doing, see how I'm applying it? I'm kind of bringing it up like this, bringing it up kind of like almost like an arrow, if you will. And what that's doing is going to help create that lift in that outer corner. And now I want to blend it because we don't want to leave it like that. That looks sloppy. So I'm going to take that same first brush and I'm going to keep it in this area and I'm just going to start to blend that out. I have a towel on my lap too, so periodically I like to wipe my brush off just to kind of keep it clean so it doesn't get all muddy looking. And I say this all the time, I like to have a mirror that's pretty close. I'm using my monitor as my other mirror, but you kind of get 2 different perspectives when you're doing your eyes, when you kind of look at both. So when you're in your bathroom maybe, or by your vanity table, you've got your big mirror, you got your hand mirror, you kind of have 2 different perspectives. See how nice and blended that is? So the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to use my BK Beauty brush number 2. I think it says 219. I'm doing this without my eye readers on. There you go. And I'm going to go into this color right here, kind of that peachy color. Just to add a little pop of color here. And I just want to put this on the lid. I'm not bringing it all the way out. Just want to keep that on the lid. Now we're going to add a little touch of shimmer. on the middle part here, just right there in the center, and that's just gonna make my eyes pop, stand out a little bit more. Please don't be afraid of shimmer. A shimmer is different than glitter. 209 brush from BK Beauty, and I'm gonna add a little shimmer just in the center. Please, oops, just in the center. Please don't be afraid of shimmers. There's a difference between glitter and shimmer. And by the way, you can wear whatever you want to. Age does not define who you are. There's no rules in makeup. But I know some of you guys are afraid to use anything sparkly by your eyes. Shimmer is just going to look really, really pretty and glowy, and it's just going to make your eyes come alive. Look at the difference between that eye and that eye. Do you see the difference? Like, this doesn't do a lot for my eye, but wait. So I'm going to take this one right here, and I'm going to go right here. I'm just going to tap, 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 just right in the center. Do you see the difference? See how that softens that look? It just makes my eyes come alive, I feel like. It's just so pretty. You can do the whole lid, but today I'm just doing that. Just doing it right in the center. So if you're somebody that like, you're afraid to do that, you know, to have any kind of shimmer on, you can do it. I just did my eyeliner, did it off camera because I'm using my little nubby nub and it's hard to see and you're not going to be able to see when I'm putting it on. But I'm just putting in my tight line there. And what that's going to do is it's going to make my lashes look thicker. Instead of using an eyeliner, use an eyeshadow on your lower lash line. This is going to be a softer look for you. So that's what we're going to do. I'm going to use this color and this color. I'm going to use them both because I don't want it to be too dark. So I'm going to take my smudger brush from BK Beauty so you can see what it looks like. I'm going to dip it in here, dip it in there, and then I'm going to dip it in there. I'm going to put that right on my lash line. And start out with just a little bit. I'm going to do a little bit more because you can see the difference. I just want a little bit more. Because you can always add more. And I'm just doing a really light touch here too, by the way. Just like that. And then just take a dense brush like this. This one's not available anymore. See how that is? And just go, kind of hold it like this. Not like this, like this. We're just going to go in and we're going to blend that. Like that, just to soften it. I already did my brows. Now I'm going to go in and I'm going to curl my lashes. Always want to curl your lashes. I use an eyelash serum, by the way. I use the one from Grande. Otherwise, I would not have lashes. I would not have lashes. I've been using it for many years now. I'm using my Exaggerate mascara from Charlotte Tilbury. And as I apply, I am closing my eyes. Kind of helps and kind of wiggle it a little bit too. And I will do several coats. I will let that dry a little bit. I will go back and I will reapply, but see how pretty that is? Isn't that like a really, really pretty, easy look? Opens up my eyes, brightens up my face. It's not overly done. Just a little tip for you to make it a little bit easier for you. A medium tone. So I like to use a medium tone right in there on my crease. That's going to help to create like a little bit of a shadow that's going to give more of a lifted look to my eye, if you will. Then the outside corner, I want to use a little bit of a darker shade. Now, I don't go too dark during the day normally, but if I'm going to be out in the evening or something, I want to do a little bit darker, then I will go darker. And then on my lower, I like to mix the two because I just need a little bit more of a shadow. I just don't like to use a liner there because a liner can look really, really harsh and not really soft. Even if you blend it, can tend up looking kind of harsh. So you just want to blend that out really, really well. Sometimes I will do a wing, a little bit of wing, a soft wing kind of thing. You guys have seen me share videos on that. But today I just want to keep it really, really simple. And then mascara, I use several coats of mascara. I always curl my lashes. Just a really simple, kind of classic look, if you will. Neutral look, if you will, for eyes. And then that little bit of shimmer, I feel like just helps to pop the eyes. Please, again, don't be afraid of shimmers. If you don't want to use a glitter, I understand that, but there are shimmer shadows that are really pretty that just add a subtle, subtle bit of, I don't want to say sparkle because it sounds like glitter, but just a shimmer, more luminous, if you will, kind of glowy. I think even on aged eyes that maybe are a little bit more wrinkled, if you will, I think it's still really, really pretty. Just you just have to use the right one. It's really the secret, and you don't have to use a lot. Just use a touch, and I'm telling you, it'll just make your eyes sparkle it really, really well. So I really hope that this video was helpful and informative. If you're new here, I would love to have you join. I share new videos every single week. Please consider smashing that subscribe button below. It is free. I would greatly appreciate if you've enjoyed it. Please make sure you like, share, and comment on the video. Helps push me out to algorithm. Would greatly appreciate it. And I will catch you on my next video. Bye.